How to customize Canva templates step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize Canva templates. So let's get into it. Now, everyone has heard of Canva already, but there are so many things that people don't know that they can do with Canva. Other than just changing the text in a presentation or template, there is so much more that can be done with Canva, and I'll show you guys exactly how. So for this demonstration, let's go ahead and go into the presentation section. And I'll just go ahead and create a blank presentation, and we're going to use like one slide to show you guys the different ways that you can customize your templates in Canva. So let's take this creative presentation template. So I'll take this page over here. Now, this is a template page, and I'll show you guys the different things that you can do. Now, first off, obviously, we can change our text. So this could be, let's say this is like so. I'll just resize the text a little as well. And we can place it like this. Now, one really great feature that a lot of people don't know about is the tidy up feature, where you can select any element and then you can go ahead, do a right click, and then you have a few different options. So if you have to align it to the page, you're going to click on align, and you can align it to the center, right, top, middle, bottom, and left. And then you can change the layers as well. Now, let's say like this, we've added some information like so. And let's change the name over here. Now, one other feature that a lot of people don't know about is when you are aligning your elements. So if I was to take this over here and I want to place everything like this, I want all the text to be on one side, but I don't want to manually have to, painstakingly align all of these elements together. Well, to customize this in any template, simply click on Shift and then select all of your elements. So the ones that you want to, structure or margin together, we're going to select these 4 text blocks, and then you're going to click on More. Once you click on More, you have the options of space evenly. So you're just going to click on that and click on Tidy Up, and this will tidy up your elements. Now, keep in mind, because these are in different styles of text, these are not going to tidy up the same. So for this, we can also click on space evenly horizontally, where these would be spaced evenly horizontally. Now, after that, you can also go on ahead and click on align elements, and you can click on center to make them all centered. Or you can also, create, multiple different types of alignments. Now, one thing to note is because of the structure of these elements, so because of the spaces or the way that these text blocks were formulated, the alignment is not straight because some of this text was derived from the other side. So to avoid this kind of hindrance, just click on the text that was aligned differently. So we have these 2 text blocks over here. Click on those and then click on these 3 dots, and we can go on ahead and choose the alignment to be straight. And then for the rest of them, we're going to click on those as well, and the alignment to be straight as well. Now, I personally prefer everything to be left aligned, so I'm going to select everything together and then choose a left alignment. Now, once you choose your left alignment for everything, make sure to re-tidy up your elements. So we are going to go ahead, click on tidy up, and this will usually yield you in a better result. So after that, there's, other tools in Canva that are hugely unexplored, such as the resizing tools. So if you want to resize any pre-existing template into your own size. Let's say I want to make an Instagram post out of this, but this is not the size of an Instagram post. And if I go into Magic Resize, which is a premium tool on Canva, so if you have Canva Pro, you can go on ahead and resize into any size as you wish. However, if you don't and you still want to resize, I have another trick for you guys. So to do that, simply open up Canva in a new tab. Click on custom size and enter the size you want. Let's say it's 10 by 10 inches for us, and then open a blank canvas of that size. Once you do that, go into your original template design and then click on the grid view on the bottom right. Once you click on grid view, simply click on Command C, and then go into your blank canvas and then click on Command V. This will copy your design as it is. However, you might have to do some alterations to make sure that it looks good in the new context. So let's say I might want to move everything to the top. Now, instead of having to do everything manually, just select all of the elements like this and then move them above, like so. However, this might look a bit empty, so for that we're going to select our elements like this, and then we're going to extend them like so. And now you can click on Shift and then select certain elements that need to be resized. So I've selected these 3 elements and I'm resizing them to be slightly larger than the rest. And just like that, we have resized our design to better fit a Instagram canvas. And there is so much more that we can do with our template. Right over here in your template section, you can find apps on the left panel over here. And once you scroll down, you're going to click on Magic Media, which is an AI-based art generator. So now directly in Canva, if you have any kind of illustration you want to generate, you can generate that and include that in your templates. Now, a lot of people wonder, how can I insert my own designs or my own alternate project? So let's say I want to insert this design into maybe a pre-existing presentation, or I have something that else that I've built and I've wanted to insert this design. Well, to do that is very simple. I'll just go into Canva and I'll open up an older design. So let's say I have this design over here and I want to insert this as a small little icon. So to do that, all you have to do is open up your desired design, and then you're going to click on Projects on the left. Once you click on Projects, you will see all of your pre-existing projects you've created. And I'm just going to scroll down and choose the one that I want. So I can click on See All in my designs, and then I'll choose this one over here, and then I can insert that into my pre-existing presentation as well. Now you can click on Add Page and add it as a new page, or you can also just resize it once it is a new page and then insert it as you wish. Now, other than that, a lot of people don't even know about the pre-existing animation features that can help you in animating any type of characters. So if I was to go ahead and search in elements, let's say I want a bird and I want a flying bird. So I don't want a flying bird to be like this where it's a repetitive motion. I want it to be dragged on the screen. So to do that, I can go ahead and search for any bird illustration that I like in Canva. So I'll take this one over here. Now, once you have decided upon your illustration, simply click on the element within the template that you want to animate. Then simply click on Animate on the top right. Now, once you do that, you have these basic animations, but we're not talking about these. These are pretty simple to apply. You can just select the one that you want. However, to add a more dramatic and more interesting effect, go into Create an Animation on the top. Once you click on Create an Animation, create how you want your animation to appear. So this is not for my text, this is going to be for my bird over here. So we're just going to place this bird over here. Click on Animate, going to create an animation, and I'm going to choose the path for my bird. So I'm just going to place it like this. And then you have different movement styles that you can apply. So you have smooth, steady. We have the orient element to path as well. I'm not going to orient it. And then you can even add a motion effect as it goes. However, in this way, you can even elevate your presentations or any kind of media content on Canva. And customizing simple templates in this way can help you in making a more individualized and unique appearance to your Canva designs. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.